Hydrokinesis, the ability to control water. Hydrokinesis allows you to manipulate liquid with the power of your mind. The body water level in humans is about 65% and is something you want to remember, as it can help you connect with the water. In order to move water, you need to be part of it and feel a strong connection between you and the water, which is an important rule for any type of telekinetic abilities. But since you consist mainly of water, it might be easier for you to create a connection and get an understanding of what the water feels like and what it feels like to be water. Water also vibrates with a high vibrational frequency, so making sure you are sending out positive high vibrations may also help you connect with the water. It takes time to create a connection, so be patient and keep practicing. So to move water with the mind, follow these guided steps. Step 1. Preparation. Start by finding the things you will need for the exercise. Fill a bowl with lukewarm water and find a quiet place to do the exercise where you will not be interrupted. Step 2. Meditate. Find a comfortable meditation posture and meditate for 5 to 10 minutes to allow your body and mind to completely relax. Make sure there are no tension and worrying thoughts in your mind and body, as this will only distract you and keep you from reaching the point of complete relaxation. Step 3. Connection. Now sit in front of the water and work on getting to know everything about it. Feel its wet texture and temperature. Pay attention to its movements and rhythm. Feel the weight of the water and use your senses to hear, feel, and smell the water. Once you feel like you know the water, then you need to create a connection. Focus on what it feels like to be the water. Imagine it as a part of your body. How does it feel? What is it like to be water? Take your time with this step and only continue once you really feel a strong connection, like you know the water is part of you. Now it is time for the water manipulation. There are different levels of advancement, and you need to start with the first level and work your way up. This process can be very slow, and it can easily take years to master the art of hydrokinesis on an advanced level. So it takes patience and discipline. Level 1. Hands on water. Gently place your fingertips at the surface of the water. You will try to create ripples in the water by allowing your own energy to connect with the water's energy. So after completing the meditation and the connection creation, you will be ready to move the water. Sit with your fingertips on the water and focus on moving it. Will the water to move, and imagine moving the water being as easy as moving your own arm, since you have created this strong connection between you and the water. Keep remembering what it feels like to be water to keep the connection. You can close your eyes for a moment to visualize the ripples in the water. Allow your energy to fuse with the water's energy and let the energy vibrate in the water until you see it move. This may not work the first time or first couple of times, so keep trying. Level 2. Whirlpool. With your fingertips on the surface of the water or on the side of the bowl, focus on making the water spin. For this exercise, you can also use a glass of water, which might make it easier for you to spin the water. Before trying to spin it, try to create a whirlpool with your hands just to get used to seeing the water spin. Then let the water settle and now create the whirlpool with your mind. Close your eyes and visualize the water spin. Imagine how it feels to be spinning water and keep the strong connection you have already created. Open your eyes and force the water to spin. Level 3. Hands over water. Sit in front of your bowl and place your hands above but very close to the water. Imagine the water being part of you and you touching it with your psychic energies until you see ripples on the surface. Dip your fingertips on the surface of the water once in a while to strengthen your connection and understanding of the water. Level 4. Create water. The air around us has small water particles in it, and so, once you have reached the advanced state of hydrokinesis, you may be able to control the water particles in the air and create liquid with the power of your mind. Place your hands in front of you and focus on the space between them. Close your eyes and visualize the water particles in the air. Force the water molecules to gather between your hands. Collect as many water particles as possible and combine them into solid water. Open your eyes and keep focusing on the space between your hands while you use the psychic energy coming from your body to manipulate the molecules. After some time, liquid should start to form between your hands or on the surface your hands rest on.